evening sa lahat. Okay, so we start installing Active Directory domain services, domain name system server, and the DHCP, a dynamic host configuration protocol. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we check the name of the computer. If that is already configured, so it's not yet, so we change the settings into more readable and mas madaling maintindihan. So this will be the this will be the this PDC. Okay, so that will be the PDC. Okay, then click OK. Just wait for a while. So click OK, click close, and restart later. So we will check the internet connections. Okay, so for the DHCP, so we change adapter. So right now we change this into, so we have this one is for the internet. So ito yung access sa internet. Okay, ito yung magiging para makakuha ka ng outside. Okay, this one will be inside. Okay, so it will be the LAN local area network. Okay, so it is configured. Okay, already. So we just rename it first so that mas madaling intindihan. Okay, so LAN local area network, and this is internet. Alright, just call it one. Okay, worldwide area network, so mas malawak. So one and LAN. Okay, so that's for now, and we called it. So we try to restart this in just a matter of seconds. Okay, just restart. Okay, so para mas magandang configuration natin. Okay, okay, so let's restart first. Let's wait for us to resume. So right now we are ready to install and configure the Active Directory domain services. Okay, which is okay, then the domain name system server for the naming of your networks, and the DHC for giving your IP address to your local area network. Okay, so just waiting, just processing the inventory of the machine. Okay. Okay, right now, so pwede kang mag-add roles and features here and dito rin sa manage. Okay, so as of now, we have, this is the default installed by default. Okay, so yan yung installed default ng server when you start installed it. Okay, then ito yung mga default din na nandiyan na. Okay, as of now, konti pa lang yung mga features niya kasi hindi pa natin na-install yung mga features na kailangan para sa magandang uh, management ng iyong network, okay, ng iyong campus, ng iyong offices, okay. So just right now we go to add roles or sa nasa dash, just to see. So we have configured this computer as PDC, but we have not yet configured the domain name, okay. So as of now it's port proof. Later on magbabago yan, okay. So we have LAN so 26.1 and 1 for 18.2, okay. So it's fresh, okay. It's very good to configure. So let's go, okay. So click natin itong add roles and features, okay. Just skip this page kasi it's normal na you have to go to next, okay. So this will be the role base or feature base. So, dito sa machine na to dapat install na remote desktop, okay. So just click next and select a server from the server pool. So that's good, okay. Okay, one computer is found, okay. This is the server. Click next, okay. So this one is the server rules. So there are lots of server rules here, but right now we will configure the Active Directory Domain Services, which is kasama yung Group Policy Management, the Remote Server Administration Tools, Role Administration Tools, and ADDS and ADLDS Tools. So yan yung mga features na kasama, included management tools, okay. Add features, okay. So yun yung ibig sabihin niya, is stores information about objects on the networks and makes this information available to users and network administrators. Okay, so ito, pag in-install natin ito, pwede itong magamit ng mga domain users, okay. So yun yung mga after nito, magko-configure tayo ng mga domain users, okay, tsaka domain controllers to give network users para maka-access sila sa network natin, okay, to permit the resource anywhere in the network, okay. Basta dito sa network nito, maka-connect sila kahit saan computer by using Active Directory Domain Services, okay. And sa DNS means kasama niya yung Remote Server Administration Tools, right, and DNS Server Tools. Add features. So what is DNS? Provides names resolution for TCP/IP. So ibig sabihin nito, mas magandang alam mo yung pangalan ng computer na gumagamit, okay, kaysa yung IP address siya, okay. Di ba mas madali? Clinic, okay, registrar, okay, mas madali yung registrar kaysa 192.168, diba? So mas mapapadali yung sa domain name system mo. So yan yung domain name system. So mas maganda, okay. When it is installed on the same server as Active Directory Domain Service, if you select the Active Directory Domain Service rules, you can install and configure DNS and Active Directory Domain Services to work together. So mas maganda magkasama sila para mas trabaho sila ng to work together, okay. So then the other one is the DHCP server, which is kasama pa rin yung server tools. So dynamic host configuration protocol, so it enables you to centrally configure, manage, and provide temporary IP address and related information for client computers. So ito nga yung magbibigay ng IP address sa network mo, okay. So yung magbibigay ng IP address only to connect to the server, but they cannot connect, hindi sila makaka-connect sa internet unless na may install pa tayo later on, okay. So as of now, the DHCP is required, so we should go to click next, okay. So just click next, so click next again. So that's the rules. So later on, basahin nyo na lang. So yun, you should configure this one on this computer. So, yun yung pinag-figure ko kanina, IP address na static. Okay. So, click next and click install. Okay, that's it. Just for a while. So, yun yung process naman ng Active Directory Domain Services, the DHCP, and the DNS server. Okay, dapat kung magkasama yan, yung Active Directory and Domain Server. Pwede nyo pag-install sa iba't ibang server o computer machine para mas mabilis yung yung delivery ng network mo. Kasi depende kung mas malakas yung computer mo, okay, kaya niya yung i-accommodate yung isang machine sa napakaraming rows. So, as of now, ito pa lang yung sample, okay, for this. Okay, so that will be the basis. Okay. It takes a while to install the features, the rules and features. So just doing that. So it's already finished. Okay. So we can move on. Okay. So as of now, we can promote this server to a domain controller, or we can go here. So there are nandito yung notification niya. So we can click this one and these two. Okay. So as of now, we can go through here, promote this server to a domain controller. Okay. So as of now, PDC only. Okay. So you can create a Active Directory Domain Services configure. So add a new forest. Okay, so as of now, we could type our active2.org. Okay, then click next. So that this will be our first installation. Okay, so just wait when the mouse. Okay. So we can configure it. Set our password. Okay, so yan yung password na kailangan. Click next. So yan yun, yung DNS server. So with domain controller, so we could set up the DNS, okay, the domain name system server. So this will be just a second. Click next, okay, and wait for the name to be assigned. Okay. So ayan, so this will be your NetBIOS domain name, so that will be PUD. So click next, okay. Wow, sarap. Takes time, it takes a seconds, and just click next. Okay, so the NetBIOS name of the domain is PUD. Okay, and our domain name is pud.ada.host. Okay, so we can continue. Okay, Then click next for review your selections. Okay, prerequisite needs to validate.
Have you ever pulled your hair out?
Okay, that's it. All prerequisite checks pass successfully. Click install to begin installation. So click install. Okay, that's it. So the installation is started. Okay. So once we configure this, the domain controller, yun yung magbibigay ng name sa'yo. Okay? So that will be your domain controllers. This So, checking if group policy console needs to be installed. So, syempre, kailangan yan. So, nag-progress pa rin yung installation. So, as you can see, the ADDS, DHCP, and DNS is installed. Just waiting to be finished. Okay. So it will, I know it will restart. Okay, so we started. You're about to sign off because Active Windows was installed. Okay, it's close and let's wait for that. Okay, that's it. So just wait for a while. We're connected again. Okay, so this will be our process. So just wait for a while. The server manager. This machine is processing your inventory. So we have installed the ADDS, or Active Directory Domain System, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and the Domain Names System. Okay. So as you can see, we go to the local server and it's configured. We have domain. Okay, so we have configured our domain, and to our tools, so we have a lot of features and rules here. Okay, so we go to we have the Active Directory domain. We have the Active Directory Administrative Center. So a lot of features are in here. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, so we can go through this. We can go through. Uh, so we can go right now here. So what we do now is what we need to do is, so we have configured the domain server, so we just check if we can look DNS the DNS server, DNS lookup. So it's not yet configured, so we can configure here. Okay, we go to the DNS. So here we have the forward loop app zone, so which is our server. We could create here as new host for www. Okay, so yun yung makikita na www.edu.org. So IP address would be 192.68.18.2. So para pwedeng makita sa labas, pwedeng makita here. Okay, so this will be our IP address. We could also, okay, so that's it, done. We could also new host again, www. Okay, so 192 for local, for local area network. So go to 26.1. Okay, add host. Okay, then done. So we have already configured that. Go here, so reverse lookup zones, so para makita yung IP address. Okay, we go through here, new zone. Okay, so click next, primary also. So to all DNS servers and then in this domain. Okay, so that's it. Click next. IP reverse lookup zone. So our IP address is 192.168.26. Okay, so click next. Allow only updates. Allow both non-secure. So this will be. Click next. Okay, so that will be our to finish. Okay, then we go here. Click new pointer. Okay, so that's PTR. So we go to that one, and our host is www.spud.edu.org. Okay, just click OK, and other one, could create another one for reverse lookup, new zone. Okay, click next, primary zone. Okay, so that's it. Our IP address, the one you want to do, that 168.18. Okay, click next. Allow both non-secure and secure dynamic updates. Okay, finish, and we go through here and create new PTR. So that's 2. Okay, and www.spud.edu.org. PDs. Okay. So that one will be so edit. So okay, apply, and okay. As this one also it's okay. Why it's okay. So we have configured that. This one also edit. So okay, apply. Okay. So properties. Sure. Okay. So okay. So we already set up this. Oh, let's start. Okay. So let's check this one. Okay. Nice. We can configure now. But just wait okay, later on na lang. Okay, but right now we have configured. We need to configure the DHCP. Okay, so the DHCP, just click this one, complete. Alright, click next, administrator, and commit. Done. And we go to DHCP manager. Okay, through here. So there's no one installed, not yet, no installations. So to it, right click, click new scope. Okay, so click next. So spd.edu.ro. Okay, deployment of IP address is area. Okay, click next. 192.168.26.1, 192.168.26.2.4. Click next, and 192.168.6.1, 192.6.1. So ito yung add exclusions, ito yung reservation. Reservation mo para gamitin yung iba sa ibang clients. Okay, so let's click next. 5 days, week. Click next, and yes. So your gateway which should be 192.26.1. So it's your gateway is the LAN, okay, it's a local area network. So click add, click next, and the server name is this one, is 18.2. Okay, so let's add, and this one remove that. Okay, let's click next, and 192.168.2. Okay, yes, resolve. Okay, just click next, and yes, okay, finish. Okay, just take a while. So let's see. So we could see right now wala pa tayong makakonect. So wala pang IP address. Okay. But we can configure that here. Okay. Here. So we'll configure the IP address of this one. So just this, and okay, just refresh. Takes time. Takes seconds or minute. 3 to 5 minutes is the longest. Okay. So we are now not yet connected. Okay. Okay, so here now, so we are connected. Let me see. So our two clients are connected. Okay, let's check if it's the two clients are connected. So that's the one. Okay, that's the one. Okay, let's see. So we are connected. Okay. Okay, so the other one is connected, and let us see if it's connected with the address lists. Okay, so right now it's not connected. The scroll work. Okay, close. Refresh. Okay, we have two connected, the baby and the tech one. Okay, so the two is connected. So the two is connected. Okay, so that's good, but there are no, let's see if this server has internet. Okay, then, okay, this, okay, so I think this one half the server have connections, and but we can check the double check the IP address properties which change, so that's a problem. Okay, 92.168.26.1, click OK, close, and the other one properties. Okay, it's 192.168.17.1. Okay, so once we install the DHCP install, they change the DNS server to the loop back ng loophole ng computer. So it changes. We close, and refresh it. So we are already connected, and we should check. Okay, so we could check right now to then to check out CMD IP config. So 26.11, so we could remove that. It's just the other one. Remove. Okay. So 192.26.11. That's good. Okay. Okay. So we can connect with that. Let me do it here. Okay, password. So the code so we could check, we could see 192. That. Yeah, that's that. So, okay. So right now we are connected to my computer. So this one has two connections. Okay, so let's see if this one can have the internet access. So no, nothing. So, wala siyang internet access. Okay? Kasi nga hindi pa naman figure kanyang ano ng server, routing and remote access. So, to give that, okay, so give IP address para mabigyan mo ng internet access ang iyong clients. So, what we need to do is go to tools, okay, so remote access is not yet, so we go to dashboard or manage, okay, add-ons and features, okay, so next, and we go to our remote access, add features, okay, click next, and click routing, next, and install. Okay, just wait for a while. This one. Password. So that's waiting. So DHCP, you have to connected. So we have configured installation succeeded. Okay, just click close. Okay, and we go to tools, so we go to routing and remote access. Okay, this is easy as click next. Okay, and that's it. So okay, so as of now, let's see. So there are no internets to my clients, so we are not connected. Okay, to connect that, okay, we could go to right click, configure and enable. Okay, then click next, click the network address translation on, allow internet clients to connect to internet using one public IP address. Okay, so this will be our public IP address. Click next and finish. Okay, just wait for a while. takes time. Just wait a minute. Okay. Just 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is connected. Okay. So this one. So that's connected. So the other one is in here. So let's see. Oh, it's connected. So we can refresh this or reload. Okay. So we are connected to the internet. Okay. Yahoo. Excuse me. Let's see our website. Okay. Okay, it's working. So we are good to go. Okay. So for now, we are good to go. What we need to do right now is we have already installed that. Okay. Excuse me.